In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll start right from a basic web search and end with placing a Gann box on a chart of gold versus the US dollar. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you're looking at, and add a few tips so you feel confident following along. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView and open the official TradingView website. This is a powerful platform for charting markets and exploring tools used by technical analysts. Once the home page loads, you'll see a search field near the top. This is where you can look up any market symbol or instrument. Type gold versus US dollar, or simply XAUSD. From the suggestions, choose the gold versus US dollar listing to view its details. If you land on an overview page, look for the button that opens the full featured chart so you have access to all drawing tools and settings. This gives you the complete workspace you'll need. With the chart open, move your attention to the left-hand toolbar. That vertical strip holds the drawing tools. Find the section labeled Gann and Fibonacci tools. It's a menu that groups several advanced analysis options together. Click it to expand the list. From that list, choose Gann Box. The Gann Box is a grid-based tool designed to help you study how price and time interact. Traders use it to frame market swings, highlight potential support and resistance, and explore proportional moves across both axes. Now place it on your chart. Click once at your starting point on price. Many traders choose a clear swing low or swing high, and, while holding the mouse button, drag diagonally to cover the price move and the time span you want to analyze. Release to drop the box. If the placement isn't perfect, no problem. You can grab the edges or corner handles to resize it precisely. Zoom in as needed for finer control, and drag the vertical price scale to rescale the view if the chart looks compressed. For clarity, open the tool settings by selecting the Gann box and clicking the gear icon. Here you can adjust colors, background shading, and visibility, and toggle lines that may feel too busy. Keep the layout simple at first. It's easier to read. If you make a mistake, use undo or delete and place it again. That's it. You searched for TradingView, pulled up gold versus the US dollar, opened the Gann and Fibonacci tools, selected Gann box, and positioned it on your chart for analysis.